Take more than $250,000 of Florida scholarship money in a year, and an independent CPA runs the agreed-upon procedures on your school. Start under Reports. On the scholarship card, click Compliance Checklist. The requirements link straight to the evidence. Click Run the AUP Evidence Pack. Most of what the CPA tests is student information, not accounting. Who was enrolled, what they were charged, whether attendance was taken. Section 4 totals what you received this fiscal year by funder against that line. 6B is parity, your published maximum for the grade, what classmates pay, and what each scholarship student was charged. 6C counts your calendar against 170 actual days and says when you are short. The day count is real. The hours are an estimate. 6D is the attendance register. This year has not started, so it is empty. Under 90% coverage is flagged, because that is where a random day sample finds a gap. Print it as a PDF for your accountant, or download the per-student evidence CSV. In February, 7 Florida schools sued their scholarship organization over payment failures. Keep your own records. Try it free at Pearspark.com.